What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna show you how to plant a fruit tree. I met some high-level, like-minded individuals today, and one of them allowed me to plant a fruit tree on his property. Step 1, dig a hole. Step 2, put a fruit tree in it. And yes, planting a fruit tree has me happy like this. Got tree growing in the ground. Got me a hole dug. Got a fruit tree. You know what it is.
From ghetto to ghetto, the backyard to yard.
Grounding, seekers gonna keep on founding. This is how high level sounding. Grounding, founders. Seekers gonna question the founders. If you enjoy this, go ahead, drop a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Peace.